welcome back to Caddo Lake. I'm here today fishing the Texas Bass Nation tournament. It's gonna be a fun one, man. Came out and practiced late yesterday, didn't really have a lot of time, really didn't put together a good pattern, good solid pattern on any one particular thing. We were just kind of catching them on a little bit of everything here and there. So launch was at 6 o'clock this morning. Lines in was at 6:30. So I waited till the sun to get up to kind of give my intro talk for you guys. But I've caught 2 fish already, which is promising given yesterday I really didn't catch a whole lot. I've been catching them on just like a creature bait, a spinner bait. We're gonna fish a frog. I fished a buzz bait a little bit, but they're definitely loaded up in these little pockets back here. So let's go catch them up. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Excuse me, a minute. A nice fish. Pretty neat, sir. Okay guys, 17 1/4, first Caddo bass. It was a good one, man. Nature rat. Whoa, I guess I scared him. That thing swam right under me. Oh, because I'm by his house. Oh, I'm sorry, friend. I'll move. That was him telling me he was mad. He's very mad. Is always a stinking bad idea. Fucking net. Sorry. Come on. I already got it. It wasn't getting off, that's for sure. Slamming that thing. Give me the scissors, buddy. Alright. 15. Not a giant, but 14 and change. Yeah. Okay, 14 and a half. Oh, God. Amazing, a little color change will do. Man, that's a nice fish. Oh yeah. It's a big one. Big ol' healthy girl. Spawned out though. Poor doggies. Okay guys, that's an 18. Not as intended. There you go. go. Yes. Get out of the grass. Nope. That's a nice one. Nope. Listen, we're not going to talk about my net skills today. We're not talk about any of that. Big bass. That's alright. It's not a giant. Okay. 15 3/4. Oh, no. Broke my stinking line. That was a freaking giant. Okay. Just need a moment to collect myself. The absolute friggin' frustration. I don't think that fish is gonna eat again. Broke my freaking line. Oh, I didn't get a good hook set. Barely hooked too. Okay, 13 inches. Okay, we gotta find some new water fish. Okay guys, so we got 5 fish on the board. Let's see where we're at. Wow, okay. A lot of people probably haven't turned in their fish yet. I'm sitting in 12th out of 93. Yeah, I'm gonna have to upgrade a bunch of fish. I've got 78.5 inches. I mean, it's gonna take over, not well, like, the guy in first has 92 inches right now, so got to upgrade. Yeah. No! That one probably would have helped me some. Dang. That was wild. I've lost 2 pretty decent fish on the frog. I am locking this frog in my hand for the rest of this tournament, and we are going to catch a fish on a frog. Finally, man, look at that. That is a gorgeous fish. Finally on the frog. That fish just tanked that thing.
He was not getting off. Looks like 15 3/4 to me. I waited way too long to set the hook on that fish. Way too long. Okay, everybody, tournament's over, line's out. I don't really know where I'm sitting at right now. It's been a really cool day of fishing out here on Caddo, lots of fun. Got my limit, you know, about 11:30 today, mostly on wacky rigs, spinnerbait, that kind of thing, and then spent the rest of the afternoon fishing with a frog. It's just something I don't normally do during a tournament because I lose so many fish. I'm really trying to like work on getting better at different kinds of techniques and stuff like that. So I did lose about 3 fish on the frog, but I did get an upgrade, so that was nice. Definitely feel a little bit better. Got to work on my walking skills a little bit and just getting better overall with working that frog. I did okay. I'm not mad at it. So we're headed back to the ramp. Gonna go grab some dinner tonight with some friends. Tight lines, everybody. See y'all out there next time.